have you ever had one of those days where your iPhone just decides to act dramatic for no reason? Like it's stuck on Apple logo, flashing weird blue or green screen, or looping endlessly in recovery mode. Basically doing everything except working like a normal phone. Yup, we all have been there and it's not fun. But here is the good news, you don't need to be tech genius or run to a repair shop every time your iPhone throws a tantrum. There is a tool out there that quietly swaps in like a digital mechanic and fixes over 150 plus iOS issues without making things complicated. This amazing tool is called TuneSkit iOS Recovery System, and it's pretty much a lifesaver when your device decides to misbehave. So let's quickly see how it works and how you can get your device running smoothly again in just few clicks. Now in my case, my device was completely stuck on the Apple logo. Pressing the power button did absolutely nothing. Instead of rushing to a service center, I tried this tool called TuneSkit iOS System Recovery. And honestly, it saves a lot of hassle. This software is designed to fix almost any common iOS problem right at home. Now, one of the first things I notice is how easy it makes entering or exiting recovery mode. Normally, if your buttons aren't working or you're not familiar with the button combination, this can be a pain. But with this tool, you literally just click once to enter recovery mode and click again to exit. It's super useful when your device freezes or refuses to respond. You can even perform a hard reset with one click, no complicated steps, no risk of pressing the wrong combination. Now another helpful feature is the ability to upgrade or downgrade to any signed iOS version. This is a lifesaver if you need to downgrade for stability issues. TuneSkit handles all of these automatically and safely. And this feature is super helpful if you updated to a newer version of iOS and your phone started acting weird. Or if you just prefer an older version. To downgrade, simply click on iOS downgrade, choose the version you want to switch to, and download the downgrade firmware. That's it. Just keep in mind that downgrading wipes your data, so backing up is a must. Now let's talk about the main reason this tool exists, that is fixing iOS issues. Whether your device is stuck, dead, looping on the Apple logo, frozen on a blank screen, or the touch isn't responding, this tool can repair all these problems and more. In fact, it supports over 150 plus different system related issues. Once you connect your device to your computer and click start, you will see two repair options. The first one is the standard repair, which is what most people will need. It covers all the common iOS issues, and the best part is you don't lose your data. After the repair, your device simply gets updated to the latest iOS version and starts working normally again. The second method is the deep repair. And this one is meant for really stubborn issues that standard repair can't solve. It performs a deeper fix but does erase your device's data, so it's most like a last resort option. Now to fix my issue, I went with the standard repair. The software automatically downloaded the latest version required for my device. Then I just clicked Start Standard Repair. After a few minutes, my iPhone restarted and the Apple logo bug was gone and the device finally booted up as if nothing happened. Honestly, it was a relief. Now, if you're wondering how to install this tool, and it's actually quite simple. You just have to download it from the official website, and I'll leave a link in the description down below. It works on both Windows and Mac. You can even try it for free with limited features by clicking the download button on the side. Now let's quickly talk about the pricing, because even though TuneSkit iOS System Recovery is free to download, the actual repair feature do come with a cost. The good thing is they give you 3 simple options depending on how often you plan to use it. If you just need it for one-time fix, the monthly plan for $19.95 is more than enough. It's the cheapest way to get your problem solved without committing long term. But if you think you will use it again, maybe helping a friend or fixing another device in future, then the annual plan at $49.95 gives you the best value. And if you're the type who likes paying once and never worrying about renewals, the lifetime license for $79.95 is honestly the smartest choice. You get unlimited access forever, no renewal, no hidden extra charges, just full stress-free usage whenever you need it. Now in the end, I just want to say that TuneSkit iOS System Recovery feels like one of those tools you don't realize you need until your iPhone suddenly stops cooperating. It takes all the scary frustration system problem, boot loops, frozen screens, stuck logos, failed updates, and turn them into simple fixable tasks that you can handle easily at home.